Do you want to learn how you can earn just by listening? If your answer is yes, then this video is the perfect video for you. Imagine earning up to $150 every single day just by doing the most basic thing ever, listening. There are already so many doing this job and it's worked amazing for them. Don't you think it's your turn? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how and what you're going to do exactly to be able to do this, to be able to start earning just by listening. We're going to be walking you through today's whole method step by step so that you guys won't get lost or confused. This method is 100% free, which means you won't need to pay any fee or invest any money, none of the sort. It's also available in most countries, but obviously the only way to really know would be actually trying it out for yourself. We've said this before and we'll say it again. There is no harm in trying. Try it out and truly find out for yourself if the method works or if it doesn't. Today's method is as easy as breathing. The only difference is you're actually earning. This method is going to be great for earning you extra income and adding up to your other streams of income because it'll make you a decent amount of side money, so really you're not at a loss here at all. Make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. Today's method is called Scribie, and to get to their website, you can simply type in scribie.com and that should take you to here. Now, as you can see, this is a transcription website that's going to pay you 10 cents to 80 cents per minute of transcription. Now, we want you to actually scroll down to the most bottom part of the page and select on jobs right here. And this is where that should take you to. Now, as you can see, here are the basic skills that you need to be able to apply as transcribers. You need good communication skills, you need to be proficient in spoken or written English, and you need to have an excellent comprehension of American, British, Australian, or Indian accents. Now, if this is worrying you because you feel like you're lacking one of the skills required, don't worry because we've already prepared a way around this for you guys. So just sit back and relax and finish the rest of the video to know. So your responsibilities would be to transcribe audio files into text, review audio transcripts for accuracy, verify that the transcript matches the audio, interpret the spoken audio and identify contextual mistakes, correctly identify each speaker in transcripts and label them, and correct spelling, punctuation, grammatical mistakes in the transcript. Those are basically the skills you'll need and also the responsibilities you'll have to take on once you're a transcriber for this platform already. To the newcomers, where are y'all from? I would love to know. Comment it down below so I can use it as reference for my future videos as well. Now let's continue. Now it's time to sign up for a free account. So to do that, just click on sign up as a transcriber right here and that'll take you to over here. So enter your first name, your last name, your email address, your password twice, then make sure that your account type is of a transcriber, confirm you're not a robot, and then hit on sign up. Now before proceeding, take a look at this right here. The 3 steps to being a transcriber is to sign up, which we've already done. Then you need to sign up a PayPal account. And like we've already mentioned in the past, PayPal is available in 200 countries. So just to make sure that you have a PayPal account so that you can cash out your earnings, which is very important. And then take a transcription test. So here's a little overview. It's a home-based job. You can work at your convenience. You earn $5 to $25 audio hour per rate. There's only short files, so it'll only take you like 10 minutes or less. And there's 2 hours taught for each file. You can get free automated transcript to save around 60% of typing effort. You get rewarded for good performance. Then you become a reviewer, a proofreader, and then a QC. You get a monthly bonus of $5 for every 3 hours completed. There are no obligations, no monthly commitments or withdrawal limits, and they don't assign files. You get to preview and choose the files according to how much work you put in. Everything you do will be compensated. Now let's quickly talk about Google Docs. With this, you won't even have to type anymore. So you can let Google Docs just listen for you and it'll type down every single word. Just make sure you're on Google Docs. Then you're going to click on Tools, and then you're going to select Voice Typing, and then proceed to playing the audio that you're supposed to transcribe, and Google Docs will do all of the work for you. All you need to do is wait, and that's literally it. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Now, earlier we mentioned that we've found a way around not having good communication skills, not being proficient in English, and etc. Correct? Right now, we're going to be discussing that as well. Now, you're supposed to be on the same platform, which is Google Docs. And aside from Google Docs being able to convert speech to text, Google Doc also proofreads for you. Say, for example, you've already converted speech to text, and it's already laid out for you and stuff. Google Docs highlights, whether in blue or red, the grammatical errors, spelling errors, misuse of punctuation marks, basically everything. And to correct all of those highlighted mistakes or sentences, you can easily just click on those specific corrections, like the words itself, and then there will be a tiny pop-up above the word, which would obviously be the correction. Then you're just gonna click on the correction and it'll automatically correct it. Sometimes if the mistakes are obvious and very easy to identify, Google Docs doesn't highlight it anymore and they just change it right away. That's literally it. You can finish up the sign-up process as per instruction, then proceed to earn just by listening. Now, little recap. First, you're going to go to Scribie.com, and this is what's going to pay you to transcribe audio from speech to text, also to proofread. And to be able to successfully transcribe and to correct all grammatical and typogrammatical error mistakes, you're going to use Google Docs, because Google Docs is going to do everything for you just like that. So that's basically it. Google Docs and Scribie, and honestly, you don't even need any more. That's basically it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off, because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show